The Judicial Conference said mandatory sentencing, an inevitability, is arbitrary punishment. Do you hold that view?
Not necessarily. Mandatory sentencing is a fairly complex area. You have to distinguish, first of all, between mandatory sentences, mandatory minimum sentences, and mandatory non-parole periods. They're three different techniques which have uses in different situations. You also, if you're going to try to form an opinion about the utility of such sentences, have to look at the nature of the offences to which they are attached. We've had mandatory life imprisonment for murder since, I think, 1915 or thereabouts, 1922 perhaps, and I haven't noticed anyone complaining about it. We've had mandatory disqualification from driving for various offences for many years. I don't hear anyone complaining about it. We've had mandatory non-parole periods for serious violent offenders for quite some time now. You do hear some people complaining about that, but it is still a system that can work. So unless you focus your question in relation to mandatory sentencing of one sort or another on a particular context, I think there's a real risk that the answer comes out as generalised waffle.